If you are interested in applying for a seasonal work visa to Italy, you can follow these general steps. Determine your eligibility. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria for a seasonal work visa in Italy. Typically, this visa is granted to non-EU citizens who want to work in Italy for a limited period, usually up to 6 to 9 months, in sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and hospitality. Find a job. Look for a job in Italy that matches your skills and experience. You can browse job listings online or through a recruitment agency. Obtain a job offer. Once you find a job, you will need to obtain a job offer from your prospective employer. The employer will need to provide a signed contract that outlines the duration of the job, the tasks you will perform, and your salary. Collect required documents. Collect all the necessary documents required for your visa application. This typically includes a passport, a completed visa application form, a recent passport-sized photograph, proof of accommodation in Italy, and proof of health insurance. Apply for the visa. Submit your visa application at the Italian consulate or embassy in your home country. You may need to make an appointment for an interview and pay the visa fee. Attend the interview. Attend the visa interview on the scheduled date and time. Bring all the required documents, including the job offer, and be prepared to answer questions about your employment and stay in Italy. Wait for the decision. Wait for the decision on your visa application. The processing time varies depending on the embassy or consulate, so check the estimated processing time for your location. If your visa application is approved, you will receive your visa and can begin preparing for your trip to Italy. If your application is rejected, you can ask for a reason and consider reapplying or exploring other visa options.